This is sorghum. The scientific name is sorghum bicolor. We produced 65 million tons of it worldwide in 2008. This is coming in the middle of these materials that we use. The origin for this is out of Africa. There are about 14,000 seeds per pound. You use about 50 pounds per hectare. One of the interesting things about sorghum is it says mostly used for animal feed. In the United States, they grow it down in Texas, they grow it in other areas. Most sorghum there is used for animal feed. And this was a sorghum field that I saw off of I-10. It looks kind of like corn, got a thicker stalk than some of the small grains. It grows upright, a lot of weeds in here. And you see the upper part, which is where you've got your panicle, the grain inside the panicle, and that's up at the top, kind of like where the tassel is in corn. The florets in here are perfect. They've got male and female parts. You see it's ready to be harvested. You've got the panicle up on the upper part. All you're taking out is the grain. The grain is a small grain like you would get with wheat or barley. If you look at the floret has both male and female parts in. The little fuzzies, put the pointer on the little fuzzy up here, that's the female part. The stigma and the style. These are the anthers or the male part. This is on a little floret. Over here you can see a floret where there are a lot of grains being produced. You can see the little stigmas and styles up here, the little fuzzies, and down here you can see the anthers, which are releasing the pollen, which is going to be transmitted over. It's a larger plant. This is a panicle that's wide open. It's more spread out. You can see the anthers. You can see the stigmas and the styles on it. Size-wise, you're looking at most of the varieties they grow going somewhere between 3 and 5 feet in height. I've seen varieties which are often called dwarf varieties, which are about 3 feet tall. Some of the other ones are 5 or so feet tall. They can harvest the entire plant and use it for silage. This is a later phase where everything has already been fertilized. You're starting to get production of seed. This is where it's dried down. You can see the seeds in here, and seeds are quite easy to dislodge. You can collect them. All you do is collect the tops of it, you beat it off, you thrash out the material. What you will have is the sorghum grain. They use sorghum grain to feed. They can also take the entire plant when it is more in the dough stage, a soft dough to a hard dough. They can cut the entire plant down and produce a very high quality silage out of it. When we look at sorghum, sorghum is a rather unique plant, often used as an animal feed, even though in some areas in the world it is actually used as a human food. Most of the production goes into animal feed.